Factory costs and how to address them. Setting up a factory isn't just about pouring concrete and installing machines. It's about making smart, cost-effective decisions that ensure long-term profitability. When planning a factory, equipment costs form a significant portion of your budget. In fact, they can account for 15 to 40% of your total setup costs, depending on your factory's scale and complexity. But costs don't stop there. There are hidden factors that many overlook. The type of equipment you choose determines both upfront costs and operational efficiency. High-quality machines may have a higher price tag, but they often come with better durability, lower maintenance, and higher productivity. Beyond the purchase price, you need to account for installation costs, including shipping, skilled labor for setup, and any infrastructure modifications that may be required. Ignoring these can lead to unexpected expenses. Factories are also expensive to run. Energy consumption, spare parts, and regular maintenance are recurring costs that need to be factored in from day one. Another key aspect is scalability. As your business grows, will your equipment handle increased demand? Investing slightly more upfront in flexible equipment can save you costly upgrades later. To address these costs, conduct a feasibility study to evaluate production goals and expected returns. Work with trusted suppliers who provide warranties, after-sales support, and training for your team. Set aside 10 to 15% of your budget for unexpected expenses like delays or price fluctuations. Remember, the cheapest equipment might save you money now, but cost you more in downtime and repairs later. Setting up a factory is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about balancing immediate costs and long-term benefits. In the next lessons, we'll dive deeper into specific factory setups, helping you make smarter choices with every step of the way. If you are somebody serious about starting a precast factory, you should visit the Precast Summit in Goa, the link of which is in the bio. If you do not want to attend that, let us know what you want us to answer in the comment section below, and we'll try our best to answer every question in a video or in the comment section itself.